If you're heading to Sydney and want to know how to make the most of your time there, then look no further. I'm going to be giving you the perfect 3-day itinerary for the beautiful and bustling city of Sydney. Day 1 in Sydney should be spent exploring the Rocks area and the waterfront of Central Quay, which is where the main ferry port is located. There are loads of lovely cafes and bars to stop for a drink and to take in the views of the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Opera House. If you fancy a walk, follow the signs for the Sydney Harbour Bridge and walk across it for incredible views. I'd also recommend walking along the quay and following it around to Hickson Road Reserve, where there are brilliant photo opportunities for the Opera House. Today's vegan foodie tip is to get a vegan Domino's, because if, like me, you don't have vegan Domino's in your country, you are missing out. Day 2 is time to do all the touristy things, so after a decent breakfast head down to the Opera House and explore and take photos. From the steps of the Opera House you'll see the entrance to the Botanical Gardens, which you simply must not miss. They are just beautiful. The Calyx is worth a look and there are so many lovely sights along the way. At the end of the gardens towards the city you'll see St Mary's Cathedral and Hyde Park, both of which are worth a visit. If you walk through Hyde Park back towards town, you can spend the late afternoon exploring Pitt Street and King Street, which are both great for shopping, and from King Street you can walk to Darling Harbour, which is worth a look and makes a wonderful spot for a sunset cocktail. Today's vegan foodie tip is to head to Lord of the Fries. Boy do they do good burgers and milkshakes. Day 3, and what a brilliant day you're about to have. Catch the bus from Circular Quay to Bondi Beach, and first things first, get a good breakfast in you. Head to Speedo's Cafe, they've got some great vegan options including pancakes and waffles, as well as the most incredible food styling. Once you've had breakfast and explored Bondi Beach, head to the south end of Bondi Beach and there is a coastal walk that takes you past several beautiful coves and beaches such as Bronte and Clovelly, where you can stop for a drink, spend time on the beach or go for a swim. After a sunny and active day, freshen up at your hotel and head out for your evening meal. Take the train from Newtown to King Street on the Homebush line and you'll come across a place called the Golden Lotus, which is a fully vegan Vietnamese restaurant with an extensive menu and just the best food. I hope you have the best time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.